Hi guys, in this video I'll show you why I've changed or replaced the engine control unit or ECU on Volkswagen Passat B6. I will start by telling you about the first car problems that I had before taking the decision to change the engine control unit. Well, at one point when I was driving on the road with 70 or 80 kilometers per hour, the car stopped suddenly and all the warning light symbols appeared on the dashboard. I started the car engine again, I waited for all my warning light symbols to turn off, and I continued to drive. Since then, I have had many problems with different warning light symbols that suddenly appeared on dashboard witnesses, such as warning light or electric handbrake and many others. After 2 years, the car stopped running again. I managed to start it again, but after only 20 or 30 kilometers, I could not start the engine at all. The warning light symbols that appeared on board were check engine and an error on DSG automatic transmission. Making a car diagnosis, I have found that the car has a fault with the engine control unit or ECU. The cause that damaged the engine control unit was because of the water that got to it. The drains under the windshield were clogged with water and managed to reach the engine control unit. So to avoid this, you have to check the drain holes beneath the cowl vent grille. That holes on the left and right side usually can be blocked with dead leaves or dirt, and you have to unblock it using a flat blade screwdriver or a similar tool. To change the ECU, I bought a used engine control unit with the same serial number like the old one from a dismantling car parts shop with a price of 60 euros. Also, I took the car to a repair shop to remove the old engine control unit and install the used one, and making the setup using a diagnose tool. The cost for this procedure was 300 euros. If you have any questions about this topic, please write us in the comment section below. If you want to know how to change the engine control unit for the Volkswagen Passat B6, we suggest you watch the video tutorial with Volkswagen Golf MK4 from the video description below. The procedure is similar.